Entering our fortress.
Is that only America called it?
In Thomas? I don't know.
Maybe we should go visit.
This is a nice, safe place. Your face is so red.
Oh my God, Riley. I'm sure mine's the same. Yeah, I'm sure I have mascara all over my face too. You know what? We should have a snow day just in honor of your birthday.
Yes. Riley and Julie's birthday.
We always get snow days.
Hello.
Last year, our birthday was a snow day.
Oh.
It's really nice.
Okay, back out. Still no visibility.
Doggy!
Boys from Villanova. Doggy! Oh my God! Oh my God, there's a dog. Oh my God, I want to play with him.
So pretty!
Hello, doggy! Oh, my parents are probably walking my dog right now.
Yeah, you're not going to walk her in this weather.
I have a yellow lab.
When are you going to walk her, right?
Bye, doggy. That just made my day. Still no visibility. This is fun. These are the sleds we've been using. Tough to see. Yeah? Was that a Bernice? No, it wasn't a husky. Oh, jeez.
Yay, sledding.
Did they say you look like a Chinese man?
Yeah.
Warmth. Who has a key card? Good.